Hello friends, and welcome to Unbound Learners Pre-K. My name is Nina. What's your name? It's so nice to meet you. Are you ready to sing our good morning song together? Let's make our arms into a big circle out in front like this. Now raise the circle up, up, up over your head, and let's give a little stretch from one side, stretch over to the other side, stretch up to the top, and back down in front of us like this. And now it's time to sing together. If you know the words, you can sing along with me. Good morning, dear earth. Good morning, dear sun. Good morning, dear rocks and flowers, everyone. Good morning, dear beast and birds in the trees. Good morning to you and good morning to me. I hope that you all are having a wonderful morning so far. Let's jump right into circle time. Now the first thing that we do is begin with the date. And when we say the date, we start off with the month. The month is right up here. Do you remember what the month is? March. That's right, friends. The month is March. And today is March 19th. So let's move the chip over from yesterday. Yesterday was March 18th, and today is March 19th. And right up here we have the year. Do you know what the year is? 2021. That's right, friends. Will you say the date one more time with me? Today is March 19th, 2021. We need to count all of the days that we've had so far in the month of March. So can I see your counting fingers like this? And let's warm them up and give them a little stretch. And I think we should take a deep breath again because we have quite a lot of counting to do. Will you take a deep breath with me? Take those counting fingers and we're going to start at the number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. 19 days in the month of March. Now I need to see your fingers again, but this time instead of holding up one finger for our counting finger, we are going to hold up 7 fingers like this because we're going to sing the Days of the Week song. And in 1 week, we have 7 days. If you know the words, will you sing with me? It goes like this. There are 7 days, there are 7 days, there are 7 days in a week. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Let's travel down to the bottom of the chart, right down here. Do you remember what the day was yesterday? I'll give you a clue. Yesterday was Thursday. Yesterday was Thursday, friends. So that means that today is Friday. Today is Friday, the last day of the weekday. And if today is Friday, tomorrow will be Saturday. Tomorrow will be Saturday, the first day of the weekend. But let's go back to today and let's sing Today is Friday together. It goes like this. Today is Friday, today is Friday, today is Friday all day long. Today is Friday, today is Friday, today is Friday all day long. All right, friends, let's travel back up to the top. Right up here we have this season. This season is almost over. Do you know what the season is? Winter! That's right, friends. But guess what? Today is the last day of winter. Tomorrow, March 20th, will be the first day of a brand new season. And do you know what that season is? Spring! You're right. Tomorrow will be the first day of spring. Now let's sing the weather song together. If you know the words, will you sing with me? It goes like this. What's the weather? What's the weather? Can you tell? Can you tell? Is the sun shining? Is the rain falling? Can you tell? Can you tell? Friends, do you see my picture right here? This is what I see when I look outside of my window. So right outside of my window is a cloudy day. The sky is gray and white. And look at my temperature chart. It's on dark blue again because it's another cold day where I live. Cold and cloudy. What's the weather like where you live, friends? Look outside your window and let me know what you see. Thanks for sharing the weather with me. Now let's move on to the letter of the week. So today is Friday, which means that it will be the last day talking about this letter. And remember, this letter makes two sounds. Let's start off with the short sound. The short sound sounds like this. Can you make the short sound? That's right. And the long sound sounds like this. You. Can you make the long sound? Nice work, friends. And do you remember what letter this is? U. That's right. This is a lowercase u. Now it's time to move on to the letter box. So inside of this box is something that makes the short U sound that sounds like this. Now here's your first clue. This is an article of clothing. This is something that you usually put on first. It goes underneath your pants or underneath your shorts or a dress or a skirt. And it goes on the bottom half of your body. Do you have any guesses? Let's take a look. This is underwear. Underwear is an article of clothing that you usually put on first, and it goes on the bottom part of your body. Underwear starts with the letter U and makes the short sound, Now it's time to move on to the number of the week. And today will also be the last day talking about this number because it's Friday. Do you remember what double-digit number this is? 15. That's right. This is the number 15. Now when you write the number 15, you have to write two numbers. First, you write the number 1, and then you write the number 5. 15. Now it's time to count 15 tally marks together. So as I draw them on the bottom of the chalkboard, we can count together. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 goes across. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 goes across. 11, 12, 13, 14, and 15 goes across. 15 tally marks. Now I notice that there are a couple groups of 5. Will you count the groups of 5 with me? Let's get those counting fingers. 1, 2, 3. 3 groups of 5 make 15 tally marks. And I wonder what we have to count inside of the number box today. Let's take a look. I have acorn tops. And as I count them, I'm going to line them up across the top of the box so that you can see them better. These first two are connected. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. These next two are also connected by the stem. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, and the last two are also connected, 14, 15. 15 acorn tops. Because today is Friday, it will be the last day practicing saying the word please in sign language. Do you remember how to say please in sign language? That's right, friends. Let's do that together one more time. We're going to take our right hand like this and bring it flat to the top of our chest. And in a circular motion, clockwise, we're going to go like this. Please. All community helpers are very important, but today's community helper is extra special because they provide us with all the food that we eat. No, I'm not talking about chefs or grocery clerk, although they are also very important community helpers. Here, I'll give you your first clue. This is someone who grows plants or crops or raises animals, and many of them often drive tractors. Are you ready to see what it is? Today's community helper is a farmer, and like I said, many farmers drive tractors. A farmer is a community helper who grows fruits or vegetables or other plants or raises animals. So as you can see, without farmers, we wouldn't have anything to eat. And because people eat all different kinds of food, there are different types of farms. Here are a couple of examples. There are dairy farms, there are meat farms, and there are crop farms. Now the farm that we're going to sing about today is called an animal sanctuary farm, and it goes like this. We're on our way, we're on our way to Grandpa's farm. We're on our way, we're on our way to Grandpa's farm. Oh, down on Grandpa's farm there is a big brown horse. Down on Grandpa's farm there is a big brown horse. The horse, he makes a sound like this, neigh, neigh. The horse, he makes a sound like this, neigh, neigh. Oh, we're on our way, we're on our way to Grandpa's farm. We're on our way, we're on our way to Grandpa's farm. Oh, down on Grandpa's farm there is a small pink pig. Down on Grandpa's farm there is a small pink pig. The pig, she makes a sound like this, oink, oink. The pig, she makes a sound like this, oink, oink. Oh, we're on our way, we're on our way to Grandpa's farm. We're on our way, we're on our way to Grandpa's farm. Oh, down on Grandpa's farm there is a black and white cow. Down on Grandpa's farm there is a black and white cow. The cow, she makes a sound like this, moo, moo. The cow, she makes a sound like this, moo, moo. Oh, we're on our way, we're on our way to Grandpa's farm. We're on our way, we're on our way to Grandpa's farm. So at the beginning of circle time, I told you that many farmers drive a certain kind of vehicle. Do you remember what that vehicle is called? A tractor! That's right, friends. This is a tractor, and many farmers have tractors on their farms. Look at this tractor. Let's count the wheels. In the front, there are 1, 2 small wheels, and in the back, there are 1, 2 large wheels. So altogether, this tractor has 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 tires. And for today's work, you are going to be making muddy tractor tire prints. Come on, I'll show you how. For today's work, you are going to be doing some painting with tractor tires. Now, in order to make the tractor tires, there are a couple of different options. You can use a paper towel or a toilet paper roll like this. You can use a lint roller, or you can use a rolling pin, which is what I decided to work with. So as you can see, we also need to make the tire treads. And in order to do that, I used some rectangular foam stickers. I peeled off the back and I stuck it onto the rolling pin like this. So when I turn my rolling pin all around, there are tractor tire treads right here. Now, you will also need some brown paint. I didn't have any brown paint, so instead I mixed red with blue and yellow, and when I mixed it all together, I created this muddy brown color, which is perfect for this tractor tire painting activity. So let's move the lint roller and the toilet paper roll out of the way, and I'm going to take my paintbrush. I'm going to dip it into this muddy brown paint, and I'm just going to go ahead and paint the foam stickers like this. You want to make sure that they get nice and muddy. Another option would be to just roll it right through the mud like that. But just go around and make sure all of the foam stickers, all of the treads have a muddy color on it like this. And with a large piece of paper, you're going to take your rolling pin or your toilet paper roll or your lint roller and roll it like this. Around and around. Just like the tractor on a tire would work. Around and around like this. And look at those muddy tractor tire marks that we made. Let's get back to circle time. Welcome back to circle time, friends. Why do you think it's important for tractors to have such large wheels? That's what I was thinking too. Tractors have large wheels in the back to prevent them from getting stuck in the mud. Today we learned about farmers, and farmers are community helpers who grow plants like fruits or vegetables or raise animals. Thanks for learning with me today. If you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel, give this video a big thumbs up, and find me on OutSchool for my live and interactive classes. You can also support my channel by checking out my Patreon page and gaining access to bonus features for your child. Join me next week as we continue our focus on community helpers. Before we go, we have one last song to sing. Can everybody wave goodbye like this? Goodbye, friends. Goodbye, friends. Goodbye, friends. I'll see you next time. Have a great weekend, everyone, and enjoy the first day of spring tomorrow. I'll see you on Monday.